Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Vrbas. I'm a yacht broker at Alexander Marine USA here in Newport Beach. This morning we were on board a beautiful 2017 Viking. We are about ready to take a nice tour of the boat. I hope you enjoy it. One of many fantastic features of this Viking 48 is this amazing cockpit. You have a transom bay tank, you have an Eskimo ice machine that dumps into the floor storage, you have a refrigerated step boxes, and you also have an air-conditioned mezzanine deck. The current owner of this vessel has spared no expense with a full-time captain. She has had the best of care. She looks amazing behind his bayfront home. This Viking 48 packs a huge punch with 3 cabins below deck, sleeping 6 very comfortably. I want to thank you for coming along on this tour of this beautiful Viking 48. If you have any further questions, please reach out to me. I appreciate your valuable time.